पहुंचा हूं यहाँ पर, उसी वक्त मैंने कैंपेन शुरू की और अल्लाह के फजल करम से डोर टू डोर भी गए हैं और अपने दोस्तों को भी कहा है। और इंशाअल्लाह ताला इमरान हुसैन इंशाअल्लाह 4 जुलाई को कामयाब होंगे।
Today we will talk about a well-known personality, Mr. Barrister Imran Hussain, MP Bradford. Mr. Imran Hussain born to Bradford, and he took start his work from a well-known largest medicine supermarket as a sweeping floors boy and stacking shelves. About his political career, March 2012, he was selected by Labour Party to contest election. But in this election, he remained behind with 25% vote from his competitor, candidate Mr. George Gloway. But after some time, Hussain elected as a MP 2015 and he got 7,084 votes. And a year later, he became the Shadow Minister of State for Internal Development in 2016. He again elected in 2017 election as an MP. Due to his good work, his vote bank increased in this time and he got 20,540 votes, and on 3 July 2017, he appointed again Shadow Minister of State for Justice. Among the community, he remained favorite. He also elected 2019 and became a Shadow Minister of State for Employment Rights. Due to his good performance 2023, he remained Shadow Minister for the New Deal for Working People. To seeing his performance in past, one of his supporter, Mr. Shahid Saraf, took stand to support him and rushed towards Bradford for his election campaign. He was very confident and gave him statement before the election that he will be on the winning position. His given statement became true and he once again elected as MP in 2024. His supporter Shahid Saraf told to Marcus TV that Hussain have a clear motive to support Palestinians and Kashmiris. If we talk about a 2020 election, Mr. Barrister Imran Hussain got 14,000 votes and became MP 4 times in Bradford. He is one of great supporter, Mr. Shahid Saraf, told to Marcus TV USA that he is very happy with the victory of his leader in Bradford.